All right, so I haven't set this up in my son's room yet. I just built this. Wanted to show some of the LED stuff here. So you got an on-off switch here. So you press the button on-off. You can also dim the lights just by tapping it multiple times or make it brighter. Then you've got different modes. Hey Google, living room lights off. Cycle through some of the modes here. This other button here lets you select what color you want to maintain. So it's pretty neat. The setup of the desk was better than I expected. Build quality is pretty good. I do wish the hard surfaces were a little thicker, just for comparison. You know, it's probably half as thick as an AirPod Pro case. But other than that, really like the desk. I'm hoping my son enjoys it too.
Here's the finished product. It looks really nice. I did not realize it was a gaming desk until I saw the packaging, but it's okay because it still serves its purpose as a regular desk. I was able to put it together by myself. I was using the written instructions and got lost. So I started watching the instructional video and I was able to finish it in no time. The instructional video provided great guidance and direction. So I think you'll love it. No matter the age, it's a good product.